Are you looking for the best pasta makers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pasta makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Philips Kitchen Appliances Philips Compact Pasta Maker. The Philips Compact was a favorite among our testers for numerous reasons. The machine is fully automatic and pumps out 2 to 3 servings of beautifully shaped noodles in a matter of minutes. You can choose between spaghetti, fettuccine, or penne, which is a rarity among the products we tested. Additionally, the navigation panel is highly intuitive, and the compact size takes up less counter space than other automatic options. Of course, like most technological advancements, there are some downsides. Our main criticism of this machine is that cleaning the components can be tedious and time-consuming. The good news is that most of the components are dishwasher safe. The Philips Compact is a stellar buy if you want a machine that does the bulk of the work without the bulky size. Fully automated. User-friendly navigation panel. Auto stop when lid is open. Some components are dishwasher safe. More compact than other automatic options. Number 2. Cuisinart Pro Pasta Maker Deluxe Set 5PC Steel Machine. With the Cuisinart Pro Deluxe Set, you don't have to fork over extra money for additional pasta shapes. This pasta maker includes 3 attachments allowing you to make spaghetti, angel hair, fettuccine, lasagnette, and even ravioli. No matter which attachment you use, we found the base of the machine held solid to the countertop when clamped down. The primary drawback is that the attachments don't fit securely, causing them to fall off repeatedly during use. Though it didn't test as well as we had hoped, you get a decent bang for your buck if you can use the Cuisinart Pro gingerly. Cuisinart Pro Pasta Maker Deluxe 5-piece set includes hand crank, countertop table clamp and cleaning brush. Includes 3 attachments that will make 5 different types of noodles: lasagnette, fettuccine, angel hair, spaghetti or ravioli. Made of durable chrome-coated steel. Pasta machine acts as dough roller. Use the hand crank for adjustable thicknesses to get your pasta just right. Features great quality and makes a great gift for those who love authentic homemade Italian cooking. If you have any issues, please contact our customer service. Number 3. Issel 9 Adjustable Thickness Settings Pasta Maker. For those new to the world of homemade pasta, the Issel adjustable pasta machine is a good place to start. The setup is simple, cleaning is easy, and the price is affordable. While most pasta maker components are hydrophobic, you can wash the rollers and cutters. For the rest of the machine, use a dry cloth to wipe clean. Despite the easy-to-follow directions, the Issel produces less than picture-perfect noodles that stick together and don't come out in even thickness. If you want single strands of noodles, then you'll have to separate them individually by hand. On the other hand, the rollers run smoothly. All things considered, the Issel is a decent machine for beginners who want to dabble in homemade pasta making. Simple setup. Easy clean. Less expensive. Rollers and pasta cutters hand washable. Number 4. Nutri Electric Pasta Maker Noodle Maker Pasta Making Machine. Technical parameters: 2.5 mm round pasta, 4 mm flat noodle and 9 mm wide noodle, dough width 5.5 foot, machine size 9.6 x 7 x 7.6, weight 19.3 pounds, output 11 pounds per hour, materials 410 stainless steel, applications for home use, not for commercial use. Small size and portable, good for everyday kitchen use. Stainless steel materials: the body of the noodle maker is made of 410 stainless steel, food grade, safer, rust-free, strong and durable. Stainless steel pressing rollers, pressed out even and delicate dough sheet. Upgraded knobs: compared with the previous snap knob, this knob of the pasta machine is more convenient to operate, only need to turn left and right to adjust the thickness of the dough and switch the cutting and pressing state. The knob is not easily broken and has a longer service life. 3/64 to 5/32 inch thickness adjustable. The width of the dough the pasta maker can press is 5.5 foot/14 cm. The thickness of the dough is adjustable from 1 to 4 millimeters, which can make dumpling wrapper, wonton wrapper, noodles and so on to meet your various needs. It's better to use gear 5 or less if you want to make pasta and use 6 or above to make dumpling wrappers. Applications: the noodle cutter is compact and ideal for daily family use, allowing you to make delicious, healthy, additive-free noodles without going out. It's lightweight, a gift choice for family and friends at Christmas or other festivals. Number 5. Cuisinart Pro Pasta Maker Deluxe Set 5-PC Steel Machine. Cuisinart Pro Pasta Maker Deluxe 5-piece set includes hand crank, countertop table clamp and cleaning brush. Includes 3 attachments that will make 5 different types of noodles: lasagnette, fettuccine, angel hair, spaghetti or ravioli. Made of durable chrome-coated steel. Pasta machine acts as dough roller. Use the hand crank for adjustable thicknesses to get your pasta just right. Features great quality and makes a great gift for those who love authentic homemade Italian cooking. If you have any issues, please contact our customer service. Brand: Cuisinart Pro. Color: lasagnette attachments. Material: steel. Item weight: 0.01 ounces. Product dimensions: 8-inch L x 7.75 W x 6H. Blade material: carbon steel. Included components: pasta maker, 3 attachments, table clamp, hand crank, pasta cutter. Number of settings: 3. Operation mode: manual. Is dishwasher safe? Yes.